Hello, my name is Jessica Brooks and I'm the librarian at Branciforte Middle School. This video is for Branciforte teachers who would like to know more about the Educator's resources from the SIRS Discoverer database. To get to SIRS Discoverer, you will go to the library webpage and click on Research. And ProQuest databases. The first result is SIRS Discoverer. The Educator's resources are at the top right corner, and there are a number of valuable resources that you can search at your leisure. I am going to focus on 3 of the tools: the featured student tutorials, the activities, and the skills discoverer. The SIRS Discoverer Student Tutorials is a PDF document of student activities surrounding search strategies and the database. There are activities on the subject tree, activities on keyword search and Boolean search, subject heading search, and basic report forms for organization. I appreciate the language that's used in these, and I believe that these make teaching using the SIRS Discoverer database very streamlined and clear step-by-step instructions. I wish that these were linked so you didn't have to scroll through, but they are not linked, and you do have to scroll to the spot that you want. Another useful tool is the activities selection. In this activities selection, you can choose from arts and crafts, health and sports, hobbies, fun and quizzes, math and science, reading and language arts, and visual literacy. I am going to show you the visual literacy, look at charts and graphs. So these are sorted by date, and they feature pretty fantastic visuals that can be used for visual literacy exercises, reading for information. The materials are being sorted by date, as I said, so they are mostly timely. We'll click on the tortoise turnaround. So it is not just a chart, not just a map, but it is also an article that includes a quiz here, a news chart, and a performance task. So interactive and a teaching tool. Another useful tool is the Skills Discoverer. So the Skills Discoverer is a feature that offers interventions. Some of them are for very young students, but not all of them are. So let's look at math, and let's look at geometry and shapes. So there's a featured interactive. You could do more sites than what's featured, but if I click on this featured interactive, I'm sent to the Annenberg Learner, and here are 3D shapes. They have hypertext so that I get more information about the shapes and the things that I'm looking at, and lots of ideas, lots of ways to engage students in this sort of extra help intervention. There are terrific training videos featured in the Educator resources, and there's a LibGuide with more resources and information for using this fantastic database. And I do hope that you will use it not just for yourself, but that you will encourage your students to use it so that they can be comfortable when they graduate onto more advanced scholarly databases in high school and in college. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please ask me if you have any questions about the ProQuest SIRS Discoverer database.